how to get started with affiliate marketing without a website. So in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how you can actually do this without having to build a full-on website, without having to build a multi-page blog or anything like that. This is a simple strategy that you can go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing as soon as possible. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel, I teach you guys tips and strategies on how you can earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Let me share with you first the tools that you'll need in order to make this strategy happen, and then I'm going to break down each of those tools step by step. Now, make sure you stay into the end of the video because if you don't and you kind of skip through, you're going to skip and miss some information that's going to be vital for this strategy to work the best for you. So make sure you stay into the end, and let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So the 4 things that you will need in order to get started with this strategy and to get started with affiliate marketing is: 1, you need landing page software. The second thing that you need is an offer. You need something to sell to people, right? And I'm going to share with you how you can actually find those products to sell. The third thing you're going to need some traffic. You need to get eyeballs to whatever offer that you're promoting. And then the last thing that you need is a email autoresponder, and why you definitely want to make sure that you have all these components in your business so that way it can work. So right now we're looking at LeadPages. Now LeadPages is one of the landing page softwares that I currently use in my business. And once you create an account over here, you see that they have tons of templates that you can use in order to create your one-page website. And you just want to keep your website really simple. We see like a lot of these vivid backgrounds and things like that, but you will just need something really simple. But the point of this is that you can come over here and they have plenty of pages that you can use in order to create your one-page website. I also use Clickfunnels. So Clickfunnels is also another one of the popular landing page softwares out there. And then also they give you templates that you can use in order to create your one-page website that people can visit to submit their email address in order to get that free gift that you're going to give them, right? So you can choose any of these templates here, and now you have a one-page website where you can collect emails. Now, the next thing you're also going to need is an email autoresponder. So an email autoresponder is just a fancy term that we use as a place that's going to house all of those emails that you're about to collect. So when people visit your one-page website and they want that free gift or that free information that you're going to give them, they need to submit their email address. Now, once they have submitted their email address, they will land in an email autoresponder. So this is what we're looking at right now. My email autoresponder is Aweber. So when we start collecting those hundreds and thousands of email addresses, they're going to be housed all here on this one website. And what we can do from here is when we send out additional emails just to kind of follow up with them to promote different offers and more affiliate products, we can create one email and send it out to hundreds or thousands of people who submitted their email address within a few minutes. So instead of manually trying to send out an email to thousands of people, we can do this within minutes with an email autoresponder. And then also, as you guys can see here, this is my email follow-up series. So what this is, these emails were created in advance. I loaded them up, and now when somebody opts into one of my one-page websites, they submit their email address in order to get some free information, they automatically are going to get all of these emails every single day for the next 80 days. So even if I'm on vacation or if I'm sleeping or whatever it is, once a person submits their email address, they're automatically going to start receiving emails every single day, just getting more information and getting access or getting information about different products and services that I am selling. So that way, if they ever decide they want to purchase, I earn a commission. So that's why you definitely need an email autoresponder. Now, the next thing you need is a product to offer. So you definitely want to find at least one product, but to be even better, you want to find at least 3 to 4 products that you can promote to all those emails that you're collecting. Now, out of one of those offers, you want to make sure that you have something that's high ticket, meaning that you can earn, at least $500 minimum and commissions when you promote that particular offer. So you want to have some low ticket offers that you can provide, which are like $27 products, $97 products, and then again, you want something that's high ticket where the sale the sales are usually like $1,000, $2,000, or something like that, and you can earn at least $500 in commission by promoting that product. So you want to have a variety of those things. So what you want to do is you want to come to websites like warriorplus.com. You also want to come to websites like clickbank.com. Both of these sites are free. You can also come over here to Digistore24. You can come over to any of these websites, create a free account, and you can come over here and start finding products to promote. Find at least 3 to 4 products that you want to promote to all those emails that you're about to collect. If we were to come over here to ClickBank, and if you scroll down, you can actually see a list of different categories or different niches that you can be a part of. So in this example, since I'm in affiliate marketing, I'm in the make money online niche, this is what I'm going to be focusing on. So I would choose the e-marketing and e-business category here, and then I will actually come down and see what products they have. So let's say like one of the products that I want to promote is ClickBank University. And on here, we can see that the average sale is $237. That's kind of what you can earn in commissions. So if I want to promote this, I can come over here, click on this link where it has the affiliate page. I will come over here and learn more about the offer. And if it's something that I want to move forward with, I will click on promote, and I will be generated an affiliate link that I can actually start promoting this product with. So this will be the offer, or one of the offers, that I'll actually send to my email list once I have received my affiliate link. So that's the next thing you need to do. Find products to offer. Join any of the websites that I just mentioned and find 3 or 4 products that you can start promoting to your email list. Now the last thing that you need is traffic. So you need a way to get tons of people to visit your one-page website. So I have covered this in a few videos, and then also in the description below this video, if you want to know my top 6 traffic sources, you can go ahead, click on that link, and it'll show you the top 6 traffic sources that I am using, so that way I can get people to visit my one-page websites every single day. And this is the name of the game. You want to be collecting emails every single day. So you need to get a lot of people visiting your one-page websites, right? So what you can do in order to make this happen, you can do Facebook marketing. So Facebook marketing you can do where you can actually build your business using your personal profile. You can market in Facebook groups or even create your own Facebook group. You can also do Facebook advertising if you have the budget to run ads. You have that option. It's the same thing with YouTube. You can create free YouTube videos, put a lot of content out there, and get people to visit your one-page websites. They also have paid YouTube ads as well. Again, if you have the budget, then you can go that route as well. And then you can also visit a site like this called udemy.com. On udemy.com, they sell solo ads on this particular website. So you have vendors here who have built email lists that they have nurtured over time in specific niches. And what you can do is you can basically purchase an email ad pretty much, and you can promote to any of these vendors' email lists. And that's a good way that you can also send a lot of traffic to your one-page websites. You can also do online classifieds. So this is a good example, which is Craigslist. I covered in a previous video how this particular website gets over 400 monthly visits every single month because it's also a global website. So that means it gets a lot of traffic. So this is another great way that you can actually put your link to your one-page website, have people enter their email address because they want that free thing that you're going to give them, and then you're now building up a really big email list, and now your emails are automatically going out to your email list, and they're seeing your emails, they're reading your content every single day. And then again, that's a good way that you can start to build a brand for yourself, and then also get more eyes on various different affiliate products that you are selling through those emails, or what we call the back end. So now if we were to put all of this together, as you guys can see here, we have where they can submit their email address. So this is an example of a one-page website or an email opt-in page that we're going to use through our landing pages. Now once they submit their email address, so like if they click on that button on this example, a pop-up will show up where it's going to ask for them to enter their email address. So they're going to submit their email address, and as soon as they do that, while they're being taken to the actual offer, they're going to land on your email list. So they're going to start seeing this offer right here where they can learn about how to get their first ClickBank commission. Again, we found this product on ClickBank, right? And then they're going to start receiving emails. So as you can see here, I put an example of 6 emails they're going to get in a follow-up series. So the first email and the second email, I put pitch underneath. So what we're going to do with those first 2 emails, as soon as they opt in, they're going to get an email on the first day that's going to bring them back to our offer, this ClickBank offer. So that way, if they didn't purchase the first time they submitted their email address, they're going to receive an email, and then if they want to purchase it later, here's an opportunity for them to do it. The second email will come the following day, and in this email, we're going to pitch them again. We're going to see like, well, maybe they didn't receive the first email. So with this second email, we're going to try to send them back to this ClickBank offer to make a sale, right? And then the next 3 emails are going to be value emails. And what I mean by value is that we're just going to give them more information about affiliate marketing or how they can earn income from home. We're not going to try to sell them anything in here. We want to be genuine in these emails and provide value. We can find videos on YouTube that we think that will actually help them. Then you can send them a YouTube video, or if you have YouTube videos or video trainings yourself, you can send that information to your email list and just give them value. Give information that's going to help them inside of their business. Maybe you can even also share a story about how you got started with online marketing, or maybe you can share a testimonial of somebody who had success with online marketing or something like that. That's what you want to do with these value emails. And then you see on email 6, I say pitch. Now this is where we're going to be able to pitch another product that we found on Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Digistore 24, or whatever else. This is where we can pitch another product. And then what you want to do again is you want to send out a series of value emails again, and then you want to pitch again. And this is just the cycle, right? So once you have this set up, the only thing you need to do as an affiliate marketer is get as many eyeballs as possible to your landing page, your email opt-in page, your one-page website, and let them go through this path over and over and over again. This is what we're doing. This is how you get started with affiliate marketing without having a multi-page website or trying to figure out SEO or anything like that. All you have to do is keep using 1 or 2 of these traffic sources and keep sending as many eyeballs as possible to your one-page website. Now, with everything that I shared with you in this video, again, if you take some time out and you dedicate some time out every single day, you can have a fully functioning affiliate marketing business done within a week, right? Now, if you want to know how you can kind of skip all of these steps and actually just go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you can be a part of a system that I'm actually promoting where you can have a fully functioning affiliate marketing business in less than 2 hours. And it includes everything that I shared with you here. The only thing that you will need to do, only thing that you'll need to purchase outside of here is an email autoresponder, and then you just need to connect it to the system. But they already have the landing page software for you. They already have the emails created for you. So that 80-day email series that I shared with you, the follow-ups emails that I shared with you in this video earlier, those are already created for you. All you have to do is plug them into your Aweber account, your Aweber email autoresponder, and then you can have all those 80 emails in your back office within a few minutes. And then the only thing that you'll need to focus on as well is just getting traffic. They already have a traffic source in the back office, and then also they teach you other ways that you can generate traffic to get people to your landing page. And then also you don't have to figure out what products would be best for you to promote to your email list because they already have the products picked out for you. And then if you ever decide that you want to promote something else, you can also include that information in your back office, and you can also promote additional products that you find on your own as well with this system. Now, I've been a part of this system for almost a year now. It's a wonderful system. They teach you everything. So if you want to know more information about it, underneath this video in the description below, just go ahead, click on that link, and find out my best way, my #1 way to earn income online. Click on that link, and you will find out the same system that I am using, and you can go ahead and have a fully functioning affiliate marketing business set up in less than 2 hours. So in this video, I shared with you guys how you can get started with affiliate marketing without a website. And these things are really simple to do. Again, just take some time out every single day, and you can go ahead and implement everything that I shared with you in this video, and you can have an affiliate marketing business set up. So if you found this video helpful, guys, make sure you comment below. Let me know where you're watching from, and then also make sure you hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.